Our study was published in the Journal of Vascular and Interventional Radiology. The title was Maturation for Hemodialysis in the Ellipsys Post-Market Registry. It was a single center, single operator study that involved 123 patients initially. Of those, 95 patients ended up having fistulas created, and 63%, or 60 of those patients, had percutaneous fistulas. The remaining 37% had surgical fistulas. The study looked at several things. We wanted to see time to maturation, the number of secondary procedures, and rate of early thrombosis for the ellipsis fistula. So important results from this study included reducing the number of patients that had early fistula failure. We're getting patients on dialysis faster, and we're having a higher success rate. And we were able to reduce fistula failure from 11% that had been previously reported in the pivotal trial for percutaneous fistulas, and we were able to reduce that to 2% using balloon angioplasty at the time of fistula creation to eliminate any vascular spasms. And then the second implication that's really important is how long does it take to get a patient on dialysis? In the past, that has typically taken 135 days on average with a surgical fistula. We were able to bring that time down to 66 days so that we're able to provide the patient with the most desired access in about half the time. In this paper, we were able to specifically reduce the number of procedures required for maturation from 2 procedures per patient down to 0.87 per patient. We're starting to show results that are better than the historical surgical fistulas. What this paper does is it describes in great detail the physical exam and the ultrasound findings of patients who successfully achieved this milestone of 2-needle cannulation. And so now when a doctor is maybe perhaps for the first time creating this type of fistula and they're wondering, gee, is this patient going to be ready for 2-needle cannulation? And this paper gives them those numbers so they can figure that out.